So welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm a leading henna hair color expert and specialize in Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and I do gorgeous henna body art and even color my nails with henna as well. So first up, we have the Henna and Jaguar body art box. Yes, so we got Jaguar, freshly made Jaguar paste. This will stain a nice rich black tone. So this set is for artists. Typically, this is a set where artists are going to be using because it comes with triangles, so they can roll cones, which are the applicators for the art. And then it even has a practice board that you can practice on. Great for like beginners. Like if you know someone who is like a budding artist and wants to like start something creative, maybe even you do. You want to just tap into your creativity, roll some cones. I have all the steps and instructions right on here on this YouTube channel. You get that henna paste, and that henna paste is the natural henna that dyes and stains a nice reddish brown tone. So you have two options with this henna body art kit. Naturally giving yourself temporary tattoos that probably last about at least 7 to 10 days. Some of you might even keep them for up to 2 weeks. Anywhere on your body, you can do your hands, your feet, your legs, your shoulder. Just be creative, just have fun with it. And practice and use this YouTube channel to like find out more about how to use henna and Jaguar body art. You can get the experience and the creativity and just really the grounding. This is one of our boxes that we have for the October boxes. Next up is this ready to use Ayurvedic hair care mask set with 3 different masks that are going to give you gorgeous curls, treat your scalp, strengthen the roots of your scalp, and also if you have fine delicate hair strands or just have any hair loss, not only make those roots and hair stronger, but it's going to give you fullness to the hair, like naturally, without, feeling like just dried out, giving your hair beautiful shine and definition. This is definitely for you. You've got the Zysopus Moringa hair mask, Ayurvedic scalp and root mask, and also our Cassian Curls moisture mask. So these are 3 ready to use masks. You don't have to add any liquid at all. You just use them, apply them on freshly damped, cleansed hair, and leave it on for about an hour or 2. And then after that, you can wash it out with our cleansing conditioning co-wash, and then just moisturize and dry and style as usual. So these are great. These are like a medium level moisture. So if you do need a bit more moisture, you could add to these masks, like more aloe vera powder or more conditioner. You can kind of play around with it depending on what your hair likes, even oils. You can add it to this mix to give yourself more moisture. These are for you, then you need to grab them up because these are one of our best sellers that sell out very quickly. Look what I got. It is 3 organically certified Rajasthani Indian henna hair dyes in 1 bundle. So you're gonna get that hair strengthening, you're gonna get that beautiful color, like a rich kind of burgundy reddish tones. Oh, this is definitely pure. It's so creamy and smooth, washes out easily, just leaves your hair overall so healthy and so soft, especially when you're adding in your moisturizing ingredients. Oh, your hair's gonna feel amazing. Protected from the elements, just day-to-day like styling and the weather changes and everything like that. Henna is amazing for your hair, and you could do that every 4 to 6 weeks. And this box comes in a set of 3 and saves you even more. And last but not least, we have our #1 best-selling October box back, and with brand new packaging as well. Super, super cute. Not only did the boxes years ago used to be pink, they're now this gorgeous green, rich tone. It's part of our new brand colors. The new cute packaging for the amla and the aloe. Cassie's up next eventually with that new styled package. Still the great ingredients, the Ayurvedic herbal hair care ingredients have not changed in quality whatsoever. We are always on the upgrade. And this particular regimen in a box is perfect for those of you looking to promote hair growth, do a nice treatment. Being that it's powder form and then you're adding your own liquid or coconut milk or yogurt, you have a lot to play with in this box. And then you can adjust the moisture level with the aloe, adding less or more, depending on how much moisture you need. The amla is one of the #1 Ayurvedic herbs that help promote hair growth. There are studies on Google about it. You can look up. And the cassia is very cleansing. It strengthens and just really opens up the hair as well to just receive all these together, like as a good like foundation, as a good base. So when I say open up, meaning like that foundation, that base for these herbs, castor works as a very, very good like part of that formulation. You know, the aloe has great slip and it's really nice on its own, whatnot, but the aloe powder is like a nut powder, so it needs something to really bind and, you know, be able to stay on your hair without crumbling off. So this together is like, hello, massive hair growth, okay? So this is for you. And these boxes, the deals are crazy on the October boxes. This one is always gone first. It's always gone. So please stock up while you can, because this October promotion for these cute boxes don't last long. So I want to know all about how you're going to be using these October boxes. I want to see your hair. I want to see that body art that you do. Make sure you tag us at Hennasooq so I can see everything that you got going on. And I want to thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any notifications on these great products coming out, the Hennasooq support, new videos, new content. And you know, and if you have ideas, please post them in the comments below. That's what I want to hear. I want to hear from you on like, what do you want to see? What's next? Like, where are we at? You know, because I have a ton of videos on YouTube, but there is always room for more. But I need your feedback on that. I would love to hear from you. So please comment below. Let me know what you want to see next and how I can support you in your hair care journey. And if you're in the Columbia, Maryland area, which is the DMV, we're close to Baltimore, we're close to DC, and we're right near the airport. You come to town, you better come visit us at Hennasooq. We have clients coming from all around the world, so I know you can make it too and come see us. So I'll see you next time. I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to reading your comments.